Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the effect of gyroscopic couple on the aeroplane when front end of the plane is descending and rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction when viewing from the rear end. So this is our rear end and this is the front end or nose of the plane. So as we given the condition, the front end is descending. So the front end of the plane is descending in this direction, descending, and the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction when viewing from the rear end. So we can say rotor is rotating in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. So according to right hand rule, we can draw the angular momentum vector. Angular momentum vector in this situation, if we curl our finger in the anti-clockwise direction, so our thumb will direct in this direction. So we can say this would be the direction of angular momentum vector, LS. And as we given that the front end of the plane is descending, so we know that when the plane will descend in this direction, the angular momentum vector will follow or will change in this direction, and this would be the direction of angular momentum when plane or front end descended by 90 degree. So as we know that the angular momentum vector always change the direction of active gyroscopic couple. So from this concept we can say this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple. And according to Newton's third law, if this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple, then this is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. This is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, and this is the axis of spin. And this is the axis of precession. So now we need to find out the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple. So we know that if this is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, so we know the effect of this. We can say this would be the direction or situation F and F. So if this is the situation, we know that on the plane, if this is the reactive gyroscopic couple, so this will experience a force in this direction, or we can say so we know that the nose will move in the positive z direction, in positive z direction, and tail will move in the negative z direction. Tail will move negative z direction. So this would be the effect of the reactive gyroscopic couple in this situation on the plane. So thank you.